New at 5, the St. Louis County Health Department receiving its first shipment of the COVID vaccine today after weeks of waiting. Nearly 1,000 doses of Pfizer's vaccine arrived this morning to distribute to frontline healthcare workers. Thanks for joining us. I'm Samantha Jones.
And I'm Corey Stark. As more vaccine becomes available, News 4 is asking how many healthcare workers still need their first shot and how many might be skipping it. All new at 5, News 4's Emma Hogue spent the day digging into those details. She's live from St. Mary's Hospital in Richmond Heights.
Corey, today healthcare workers at SSM hospitals rolled up their sleeves to get that second shot of the vaccine. But tonight we are getting new numbers from the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force, and it shows a fairly large percentage of those who work in healthcare are waiting or opting out of getting the vaccine altogether.
I think it's a very personal decision, and I think each person, knowing their health history and their health status, should do the research for themselves.
Office manager Belinda Postal says she spent weeks researching the COVID-19 vaccine. The retired pediatric nurse works at a dentist office in Baldwin. Postal expects the staff to get the vaccine by the end of January, but she's holding off.
I actually have had in the past a reaction to a vaccine. So the fact that this trial period has gone on pretty quickly makes me a little uncomfortable, having had a reaction before.
Postal says she'll focus on aspects she can control to boost her immune system, like exercise, eating well, and sleep. She says her office has taken multiple precautions to lower the risk of contracting the virus.
We have bought extra oral suction units, so if we have spray, that's being taken care of. So, I feel pretty comfortable that we're doing everything possible. I feel like our office is much safer than going to the grocery store, for sure.
Today, as healthcare workers at SSM hospitals rolled up their sleeves for the second dose of the vaccine, News 4 tracked down how many healthcare workers still haven't had their first shot. The St. Louis Pandemic Task Force reports about 60% of healthcare workers at SSM, BJC, Mercy, and St. Luke's have received the vaccine. We're told the remaining 40% haven't made an appointment yet, meaning they could be on vacation or opting out altogether.
I guess I just need to see a little more.
Some who work in healthcare, like Postal, say getting the vaccine in the future is still an option. They're waiting for more research.
I'm not an anti-vaxxer. My background is in pediatric nursing, so I'm certainly comfortable with vaccines. I just need, for my particular health case, in the situation I had in the past, I need a little more information.
So we learned it's not mandatory for employees at any of the hospital systems mentioned to get the vaccine, although it is highly encouraged. As you heard at the top of the show today, the St. Louis County Health Department received 975 doses of the Pfizer vaccine. I'll explain who exactly is getting those and when, coming up tonight on News 4 at 6. Reporting live in Richmond Heights, Emma Hogue, News 4.